playoff game against Minnesota. He only had 24 seconds to make something happen.
Novak standing back at his 45, waiting the shotgun snap. He gets it. He drops. He looks long. He pumps and throws a home run ball. Drew Pierson's going for it. He catches the ball. Touchdown, Dallas. Incredible.
This Hail Mary pass lifted Dallas over the Vikings.
Other teams, they were the enemy. I mean, I didn't like them, and I didn't particularly after the game go over and want to shake everybody's hand either. I mean, I wasn't a poor sport, but the heck, that's, you know, those guys are the guys that you need to play again. You need to beat them again, and you can't get too close to your enemy.
Hail Mary pass lifted Dallas over the Vikings.
Exclusively available through your Herbalife independent distributor. Herbalife, nutrition for a better life.